National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Mingo County in southern West Virginia, southwestern Logan County in southern West Virginia until 3:45 p.m. At 3:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Delberton, or 8 miles northeast of Williamson, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Delberton, Holden, Myrtle, Switzer, Sarah Ann, and Chauncey. This includes Route 119 between mile markers 10 and 21. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-400-19535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting a report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following county: Mingo, West Virginia.
NOAA Weather Radio.